Okay, here we are on the GE Carestation 650. This is the second little video on the pressure limit circuit test. And so we were on the PC and we kept increasing the pressure. And right now, you see the peak pressure of 115. Okay, 115 appears to be where it turned off the gas inlet valve. Okay. So I just wanted to share that. And then going back over to the interfaced PC, looking at the vent schematic again, okay, in the service application software, you can see it closed the gas inlet valve when we got to 33,233. Okay, I just wanted you to see that. And then going back over to the display, now you can see that the pressure has vented off now. Okay, thank you.